You will hear a professor talking about the technology and its impact on society. First, you have some time to look at questions 31 to 40. Now listen carefully and answer questions 31 to 40.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the topic of how technology has transformed our society in recent decades. It's undeniable that technological advancements have revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. Let's start with the realm of communication. The invention of the internet has connected people across the globe like never before. Social media platforms have given individuals a platform to express themselves, share their stories, and connect with others. However, this surge in connectivity has also raised concerns about privacy and the spread of misinformation. Moving on to the world of work, automation and artificial intelligence have reshaped industries. Many manual tasks are now performed by machines, enhancing efficiency but also sparking debates about job displacement. On the other hand, these technologies have opened up new avenues, creating jobs related to programming, data analysis, and digital marketing. One area significantly influenced by technology is education. Online learning platforms have made education more accessible to a wider audience. Students can take courses from renowned universities around the world, breaking down geographical barriers. Nonetheless, the lack of face-to-face interaction raises questions about the effectiveness of solely digital learning experiences. Healthcare, too, has witnessed remarkable changes. The integration of technology into medical procedures and diagnostics has improved accuracy and reduced human error. Telemedicine has enabled patients to consult with doctors remotely, making healthcare services more available, especially in remote areas. In the field of entertainment, streaming services have transformed how we consume media. Traditional television is being challenged by on-demand platforms, allowing viewers to choose what, when, and how they watch content. This shift has led to a decline in traditional broadcast viewership and raised questions about the future of conventional television networks. While technology has brought many benefits, there are also downsides. Cybersecurity has become a pressing concern as more of our lives are intertwined with digital platforms. Hacking, identity theft, and data breaches are threats that individuals and organizations must navigate in this interconnected era. In conclusion, the impact of technology on society is undeniable. From communication and work to education and healthcare, technology has reshaped various aspects of our lives. While it brings efficiency and convenience, challenges such as privacy concerns, job displacement, and cybersecurity must also be addressed.
That is the end of this recording. You will now have half a minute to check your answers.